Hey folks, Mike McGee here. In today's video, we're going to make sausage. We're also going to give away a bunch of sausage seasoning. We've been ice aging a deer. My boy Matthew got this deer a little over 2 weeks ago. It's ice aged as long as it can go, really. We got busy working and stuff and we just had to let it go. I like to usually cut them up around 2 weeks. This here has been 2 weeks and 2 days. It's still going to be great. Matter of fact, probably better. But we're going to get into this video making sausage, and my neighbor gave me a bunch of sausage seasonings, some of the very best. So watch this video and you'll see how you're going to win your very own. We used 100 pounds of ice in this originally, and that really works great. To use way more than necessary because it creates an ice layer that freezes together on top. So even if you have to go 2 weeks, you're still going to have good ice in there to keep it continually. You're not going to have a problem with your meat going bad. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get this meat out. We're going to get it on the table and we're going to cut it up into pieces that we can get in our grinder. I tell you one thing, it is amazing to have a team of boys that know how to butcher. We had that deer cut up in just a matter of minutes. I've got my fat, Mangalitsa hog fat, that I got it from pigs I butchered probably around a year ago. And so we're ready to put on the seasoning. I really like Legs brand custom blended seasonings, and this is the hot pork sausage seasoning. Now, it's not real hot, but it is spicy. If you like spicy sausage, you might want to enter this drawing to win. I've got quite a bit of this. As I said, my neighbor gave it to me and I can't use it all. So I'm gonna give some to you. So drop down in the comments and say that you want to win and you'll be in the drawing. That's all you've got to do. Now, once several days go by, I'm gonna collect these names and it's gonna be closed for enter. So I'll put it at the head of the comments when it's closed. If I didn't put it at the head of the comments that it's closed, get down there and get entered into this contest. Legs brand seasoning. Each of these will do 25 pounds of meat, and we have about 50 pounds in there. So I'm gonna use both of these. A deer cut up the way we do with the fat that we have is gonna be roughly 50 pounds. Let's start grinding this meat up real quick and get this sausage made and see what it tastes like. All right, we got the first grinding through. What we're gonna do, we're gonna clean this out from any kind of sinew, bone, or anything that slipped through that we didn't need. It won't let bone come through. We're gonna clean all this up, and then we're going to put the small plate in. When you got the small plate in, it's gonna help grind it up a little smoother, and then it's also going to mix our seasonings and fat and meat all together nicely. So let's get it going. guys, it's time to try this sausage out. If you noticed in this video, I did not say in the title, giveaway. You didn't know it was gonna be a giveaway until you turned this video on. There's a reason for that. A lot of people search giveaway because they just want the giveaway. They don't follow this channel. This one is for you folks that follow this channel. You're gonna get a chance to win this sausage. We're gonna tell you what it tastes like right now. Break you off a piece. When you make it with that fat like that, it is so tender. It is. I weighed it after I made it. 55 pounds is what we had. That is seasoned perfectly. What do you boys think?
Good.
Wowee, wowee.
It's got the
Perfect. The heat is there, but it's not overbearing. I mean, it is sausage to savor. What do you think about it? Perfect. This is why we eat 50 pounds in a month or two, because it's that good. I got a whole playlist of making sausage, not always this kind, but most of the time. And we've done different things to spice it up a little bit, but it's always this basic flavor. Let me tell you, it is good. You can put this on a sandwich. Make like a burger with that. Unbelievable. Bread, throw you some mayonnaise on there, a big old sausage patty, and some lettuce and tomato. You can't beat it. So get down in them comments. Tell me you want to win some seasoning. We're going to draw as many as we can, and we're going to have some winners. I'm going to say right off the bat, we're going to have 10 winners. There's going to be 10 people winning sausage seasoning. So get in there. Your odds are good. And win it. But that's all we've got for you today. We hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.